For a lot of us, it's that time of the year where we sit back, we evaluate, we start looking at what things could I be, should I be doing to grow my business in 2026, the first quarter. And what I'll tell you is there's thousands of things that could grow your business. Some maybe very incremental, some much larger, but there are a lot of things that you could do that would grow your business. And we spend a lot of time on like, what are the things? What is this thing? Where what I see when I look at and talk to people and we have one-on-ones and different stuff, I see one area that kind of stands out more than any. So maybe instead of focusing on all the little things you should do, start focusing maybe on what things would I have to do here inside of 2026 to ensure that I do less business or that I don't hit my goals. Thing number one, get really greedy, have super high margins, be out of touch with wherever your market is at. So that would be one way to ensure you do no business. Another way, provide terrible service. Don't return phone calls. Don't do those things. Like just kind of don't do a good job of doing what you do. Then have limited products, right? That would go into that same thing. But there's one area that I don't think people call themselves out on enough, yet this will ensure you do very little business. If you don't have anybody to talk to, it doesn't matter how good your margins are, how great your service is, what kind of any of that. If you're not talking to people every single day about what you do, how you do it, what's different about you, why should a real estate agent use you, why should a client use you, whatever it is, the one way for pretty much every business to ensure it does no business is to not have conversations. So right now, if you're putting a lot of emphasis on all those other things, maybe time blocking a couple hours out of the day just to call everybody out of your cell phone, wish them a new year, whatever it is, to go out, become very active on the outbound outreach. You as an individual, if you're doing sales, which most of us are, we need to be talking to more people. So break down your business and say, what are those 3 to 5 things that if I like these things would crush my business, and then don't do those. So have yourself a don't do list as you head here into 2026. And we all need to talk to more people. More people equal better conversations, equal more sales. It's a little Tuesday tip for you.